Hello, everyone. This is Ken Latham, the design guy, signing on. All right, here's a quick view of a project that we're working on. So this one, we're actually taking and expanding a kitchen area. So the area that's here is the dining room. That's pretty much staying. And the wall that you see here, we're going to be removing this wall back to this point. So all this is going to open up. And then we're going to be coming back in behind this, and we're going to be adding area in here for more kitchen area. So let's take a look at this. I think that'll give you a good idea. This kitchen is just tight, which is why the people called me out there. This is the pantry in the back with the shelves into it. And then with the stove there, so everything was just super tight. So we're going to switch over to the new version here in just a second. Okay, everybody, here is the new floor plan. So in here, this is the wall that we took out right across there, which opened it up. And all these walls back here that you see are shaded in are new walls. The laundry room stayed the same. So we did come back in and we added a linen closet, excuse me, a storage closet here. We came back in. These numbers on the cabinets are cabinets that the owners already had, so we were numbering those. But let's take a look here. So this is what it's going to look like when it's actually done. Excuse me. Let's take a walk through here. I guess I went into a wall. Let's turn back around and look the other way. The owners were looking to have plenty of light coming through, so we've got these big double windows over top of the sink. And then we have another storage closet here. We've got one on each side of the door. So one of those we may actually turn into being a little cubby, a place to sit down and take your shoes off. So there you go. That's a quick little before and after. Thanks so much. This is Ken Latham, Design Guy, signing off.